You didn't know you could make money trading stocks with your phone? Okay, there's an app called Robinhood. Okay, it's a free app. You can download it onto your phone. And while all these other brokerages are charging between $5 and $10 a trade, so when you buy a stock, they charge you. When you sell that stock, they charge you. And the whole point of buying the stocks, we're not buying the stocks to hold long term. We're trying to make money and work from home. So what we're doing is we're day trading, swing trading, that kind of thing, where the fluctuations in the market, where it goes up and down, they fluctuate. Let's say it goes up 10 cents, and it goes down 10 cents. So you buy it when it goes down, and when it goes up to 10 cents, you sell it, and that's your trade for the day. And depending on how much how much money you're playing with, you can make a good amount of money, just 10 cents a share. So Robinhood, you deposit your money from you hook your bank account up with them, and you deposit the money, and you're looking for what's called a cash account. At least that's what I use. I use a cash account. This way I'm not subjected to pattern day trading rules. Pattern day trading is another story. It's something you need to look at and learn about if you're going to day trade. I'm not going to go into it right here, but in a nutshell, you can only trade 3 times a week, according to the rules of day trading. So, but if you have a cash account, it doesn't apply to you. Don't ask me why, but it doesn't apply to you. So I have a cash account, and I can trade every day if you have the money to do so. Okay, so you want a cash account, and another thing is it takes 3 days for your money to clear. So if you buy a stock today, and let's say you make 10% on your money, that money is not available for 3 days. Then it's available, and then you can trade it again with it right away. So like whatever money you have in your account, like let's say you have $3,000 in your account, you only trade with $1,000 a day, and this way you can trade every day with $1,000, because every 3 days it gets put back in, and so that you would always have $1,000 to trade with. Now, your goal is to make 10% a day, so you're looking to make $100 a day doing this if you're using $1,000 a day to trade with. Okay, Robinhood is very slow with some things with day trading, so it's free, so it's not instant. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. It has stuff called limit orders, and market orders it'll get filled whenever they feel like it. Limit orders is you put in, say, I'm only going to buy this stock if it hits $1 a share. So then you buy it when it hits $1 a share. But so you put in that order for that price and lock it in. All right. Then if you're doing it like that, then it works. If you're just going by market order, sometimes it'll say it's $1 a share. You'll put in to buy a market order, and it'll be $1, $2, $3 by the time they execute the order. So if you put in a limit order saying only $1, then it will only buy it at $1. So that's one thing. So they have those kind of orders. They have. They don't have what's called a stop loss. Well, they have a stop loss. They don't have a following stop loss. So a stop loss is if you're hoping you buy it at $1 and you're hoping it goes up to $1.10. And let's say it drops down to 95 cents, and you're losing money. So you're losing money. It's going to happen. It goes up, it goes down. So you put in a stop loss at 98 cents, let's just say. The risk, everybody has different threshold for risk. So you put in 98 cents stop loss, so that if the stock drops those 2 cents and hits 98 cents, it's an automatic sell order. This way you can't lose all of your money. You're never going to lose all your money if you're smart and you're playing the game right. So when you hear people saying, oh, that's risky business, those stocks, you can lose all your money. Not if you know what you're doing. Okay, not if you know what you're doing. And so you lose some, you win some. So you're hoping to win more than you lose, obviously. That makes sense. And you will, because if you're only losing 2 cents per trade, but you're gaining 10 cents per trade, in the long run, you're earning 8 cents a trade, so you're positive 8 cents. So I mean, that's how it works. You win and lose, and it averages out to what you make. Okay, and you can do that. Then the really interesting thing about it is, most people, the market opens at 9:30 Eastern time, and you watch your stock. Usually they drop in the morning a little bit, so you watch it at 9:30. It drops. You buy it. You buy it. Let's between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. You buy it because it dropped. Now you're waiting for it to go up. You're watching it. It goes up. Maybe by 11, 12 o'clock, noon, it goes up. Those 10 cents, you sell it. You're done for the day. Now you go out. You do it. Meanwhile, while you're watching this stock, you could be doing housework. You could be doing chores. You could be running errands. As long as you are access to internet, that you can watch the stock, and then you're done for the day, and you've earned your $100 or your 10%. You're looking to get 10% on. So if you're using $1,000, it's $100. If you only get 5% that day, it's $50. But it's multiple streams of income. Like I always say, you got to have multiple streams of income coming in. This is just one thing. So if you're working from home, you do that from 9:30 to 10, 9:30 to 11, and then the next thing you're doing your next job, your next business. You're devoting 2 hours to that, whether it's something else, or you're running some apps that are earning you money on the side. Okay, all of these things are a little at a time, multiple streams of income coming in. So you're getting $50 to $100 a day from the penny stocks, day trading, swing trading. Okay, and then you've got 2 or 3 other things that you're spending an hour a day doing while you're doing the chores, dropping the kids off at whatever, and running around. Okay, that's how you do it. You get multiple streams of income. You have a couple of apps running in the background. You do that too. These are the ways you do it. Not one thing. It's never going to be one thing. You got to have multiple streams of income coming in. So the Robinhood app is one thing that I use, and passive income. It takes some education. There's plenty of freaking education on YouTube. Free education. You could pay for a guru. There's gurus out there that'll charge you $4,000 to teach you how to trade. But there's plenty of free information out there. And the beauty thing is, you can go on to some of these other sites, Fidelis, TD Ameritrade. They have paper trading, where they'll set you up with a $500,000 paper trading account where it's fake money, but you practice. You can practice for months and just play the market while you're training yourself how to do it. Okay, and that's what I did. So you paper trade until you get the hang of it, and on how things go up and down, and you get the feel for the market and the flow, and it's not exact. It's not a science. It goes up and down. But if a stock you're watching, you know that every day for the past month, it's gone from $1 to $1.10, and then it dropped back down to $1 all in the same day, then it's not that hard to do. Okay, because it's going to do it. It's going to. So maybe you only make 8 cents one day, not the 10 cents. But it's easy. Okay, you're sitting at home doing it from your kitchen table, or from your laptop, wherever you are, in your backyard, having coffee, whatever. So, Robinhood app, day trading, swing trading, it's something that you should look into. Like and subscribe. I got a lot of videos, a lot of things going on. I'm always looking for different income streams. Multiple streams of income is how you do it. A little bit from here, a little bit from there adds up. And if you can get stuff that are passive income, residual income, that you set up and it's hitting you every month without you doing much work to it, just maintaining it, this is how you do it. And look at my other videos. You'll come up with a bunch of ideas. There's many things you can do, and they work. They all work if you put the time and money into them. Some are scams, but I'm going through the ones that are good, and you'll hear them from me. And hey, it's possible. The work from home hustle is something that can be done. Okay, so work from home hustle, stay at home moms, you can do it. Raise your family, be with your kids. Okay, like and subscribe.